Hello everyone, welcome back to indiancoding.com. Today we are going to study about Python file open. So open a file on the server and assume we have the following file. So for that I will write one example. So here on screen you can see that first we have to create a two file. The first one is main.python and the second one is text. I'm just writing one text here. So for example, I have mentioned this is the data from another file. Fine, I have mentioned all the details. So if I want to print that text or run the main file and load this file, I have to connect these two files. Okay. So for that, first I have to f is equal to open text.text and r. So what is the meaning of r? In last lecture we discussed. R means read. We need to read this file. So for that, I have mentioned the file name, that is text.text, and then after that I have mentioned the r. Okay, so first I have written all the function that I need to work on. Okay, after that, if I want to print this, I have to mention the print here. So print dot f, whatever the details mentioned in the f, and then read, and then the functions that is created. Okay, all the things are mentioned here. First, let me close this file, and once I'll reload it on screen, you can see that I've got the text that I have mentioned in the text.text. Okay, so this is how you need to work on. Fine, you can also write the read line, so you will be able to get that read line too. Let me mention the second line here. Fine, I am mentioning the second line. Okay, after that I'm reloading it. On screen you can see that I have not gotten the second line here, so I have to mention this again. Okay, let me just write it again and then I will just reload it. Okay, after reloading this file, I am getting the second line too. So that is how you need to work on. Fine. So I hope you understood. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features. Thank you so much.